If you're looking for a tool to take your business online, then you've probably come across the Kajabi Basic Plan. Now, Kajabi says that this plan has everything you need to start your online business. But is it really going to work for you, and what even do you get with it? In this short video, I'm going to break down all of the things Kajabi says that you get with their basic plan and what it actually means. So the basic plan is $149 a month, and if you're paying annually, you get a 20% discount to make it $119 equivalent per month. From Kajabi's website, you can get a free trial on any of their plans for 14 days. If you are interested in starting Kajabi or at least trying it out, I can give you a 30-day free trial with free bonus support one-on-one to help you during that trial. If you're interested in more about that, head over to my website, thecoachsupport.com, and you can learn about that 30-day trial and extra support there. If you do end up signing up for a free trial through one of my links, I get a payment from Kajabi for that, and it helps me out a lot. So if you are looking to start Kajabi and you do it that way, I appreciate it. With the basic plan, you get one website, 3 products, and up to 10,000 contacts. You get unlimited marketing emails and unlimited landing pages. That alone is a great base set of features to be able to do just about anything you want. I would like to mention, if you're comparing Kajabi's email marketing to other mailing platforms like MailChimp or Kit or MailerLite, to get up to 10,000 contacts with those platforms is going to cost you in the range of $100 to $150 a month. As well as sending emails, in the basic plan, you get a base set of really functional automations. You don't get the conditional logic automations that you get in the Growth or Pro plan, but the base set of automations really takes care of most of your needs. With the automations, the landing pages, and the emails, you can create just about any kind of funnel that you want. Kajabi has templated funnels to start with, or you can just create from scratch. You might be wondering what a product is. The standard examples of a product are going to be your online course, a coaching package, or a group in your community. Kajabi also has podcasts, download offers, and a newsletter that are considered products. So any combination of using those is going to go towards your quota of 3 products in the basic plan. Not listed in the standout features on Kajabi's pricing page, you get things like events, payment processing, analytics, third-party integrations, and just a lot more. Kajabi also has a CRM that keeps track of all of your people on your list and the interactions they've had with you. Within Kajabi's payment processing, you've got the options to connect to PayPal, Stripe, or use Kajabi's payment processor. If you are using Kajabi's payment processing, you can do things like collect payment with Apple Pay or Google Pay, or use Afterpay methods like Klarna or Afterpay, where you get a lump sum and those companies for a charge will collect payments from your customer. Kajabi's integrated AI into all of its plans, and you do get access to the Creator Studio with 1 free project per month in the basic plan. The basic plan really does a good job at covering your business's needs right in the beginning and giving you a lot of room to grow and experiment with things and develop. If you're not sure which plan is right for you, on Kajabi's pricing page, they have a short survey where they ask you 3 questions to help you decide. I've worked with a lot of people in Kajabi, and the biggest reason that most people upgrade from the basic plan to the growth plan is because they want more than 3 products, they have more than 10,000 people on their contact list, or they want access to the conditional logic automations to make more complicated funnels or automations within their business. I forgot to mention this, but it's important to know that with the basic plan, you do get to put your custom domain into your email marketing. So your emails can be sent from, for example, thecoachsupport.com instead of Kajabi's MailNet. You also get 1 additional admin user in your account. So again, all of these features really make the basic plan a great place for your business to start. You can use your own domain. You can add somebody into your account as a user to help you with the work. And with the unlimited email marketing, the unlimited landing pages, 3 products, payment processing, you're really able to develop any kind of funnel or marketing system that you want to sell your courses. I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you haven't looked at the Kickstarter pricing plan video yet, check that one out. Kajabi's Kickstarter plan is a great place to start if the basic is just a little bit too much for where you're at in your business right now.